Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable alert sounds in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then drag this section at the bottom of the page up to see more functions. And at the account and settings section, click on the settings button. And at the navigation section, click on the speed limit alerts button. And if you scroll down, look for the play alert sound button. And in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, it means that the function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.